Hi, this is Vizi Pro Trade channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Instagram notification not working. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Push notification from Instagram keep you up to date on what's happening while you are scrolling through the app. From the post notification, from people you follow to likes and comment on your posts and stories. Instagram notification give you a quick summary without having to open the app. So what if you don't get any notification from Instagram? How to fix this issue? It's very simple. First of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can check on the settings. You can go to your profile, tap on the upper right corner on the three lines you have over here, select on notification, and from here you can manage the push notification. You have to make sure if you want to get a notification from posts, stories, and comment, you have to make sure that this notification is on, like this is on. And also from following and followers, message, calls, you can check one by one to see if the notification is on or not. And if still doesn't work, you don't get any notification, you can check on your settings on your phone. You can go to settings. Now you can scroll down, you can go to apps, select on manage apps. You can search for Instagram. Select on Instagram, select on notifications, show notification, make sure your notification is on. After that, if this all setting is on, you can check on your updates. Search for Instagram on your App Store or Play Store. You have to make sure that your Instagram is on the latest version. If there is an option to update, you can update it first, because maybe your notification is doesn't work. Maybe it because there is a bug on the app. After that, you can try to check if the notification is active or not. It's very simple, right? So that is how to fix Instagram notification doesn't work. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.